I'm Elle, the scientist. As you can see, I have my lab coat and my cat's ears just because it's Halloween season. And today's Muggle lesson will be on kinetic sand. And kinetic sand is a sand that sticks to itself. So you can form clumps and mold it with your hands. It is also very easy to clean up because it sticks to itself. Kinetic sand is an example of a non-Newtonian fluid. But what is a non-Newtonian fluid? Before I answer this question, let's remember the different states of matter. Now, I want to ask you, do you remember what a solid is? Well, basically, matter that has a definite size or shape, just like this one that I have here, a castle. Then, we have a liquid state. We have a definite size, but not shape. Liquids take the form of the container they're in. For example, this water is a liquid, and as you can see, it has a shape of the water bottle. But if you pour it into on the glass, empty glass, it will take the shape of this empty glass as well. Last but not least, we have a gas state, which doesn't have a definite size or shape. One example of a gas is the air you are surrounded with, which you breathe in every single day. I think we are prepared now to answer what is a non-Newtonian fluid. Well, a non-Newtonian fluid, or if you want to call it mystery matter, is a fluid that looks like one thing but behaves like another, such as kinetic sand. It looks like solid matter, but once you apply a force on it, it stills together to form different fun shapes. However, without a force, it flows through your fingers just like this. Now I will tell you how to make your own kinetic sand at home, and the magical ingredients are 1.5 cups of cornstarch. Many of your parents should have it at home. They use it to make pudding and gravy. If you want to make a different color, you can add food coloring. You also need 6 cups of plain sand, 2 tablespoons of dish soap, and 3 1/4 cups of water. And also 2 containers, don't forget that. Are you ready to make your own kinetic sand? First, add the plain sand and the cornstarch together in a large container and mix it until it's well combined. In a separate container, mix the water and the dish soap until you see a bubbly mixture. Then slowly add the water and the dish soap to the sand and cornstarch. Continue mixing. Don't forget this step. If you see that the mixture is too dry, add a little bit of water. Last step, and most important, make sure you cover your kinetic sand so it doesn't become dry. Now, let's play with the kinetic sand. Yes, go and pause this video to make your own kinetic sand and be ready to play with me. Now I will show you which figures I made, and I'm very excited to see which ones you made though. First, I made some Halloween figures. A pumpkin, a bat, a witch hat. But I also made some sea-themed figures, a turtle, a sandcastle. You can actually make any figures you want. Isn't it exciting? You can use cookie cutters as well. I hope you have enjoyed this adventure, learning about how you can actually make your own kinetic sand. Remember, science is magical. To see other cool science in action, check out our other Molecular Mania videos. Bye-bye.